Hey, what's poppin', everyone? So I have got the cheapest drone from Walmart here. It is the Sharper Image Fly and Drive drone. It was like $60. Wait, let me get the exact price for you. I'm still in Amarillo, Texas, because I was waiting on a router to ship. But anyways, this one was $59.97, so a little bit more with tax. But I want to see how good this drone is. It has blade guard, USB charging, LED lights, rechargeable battery. I'm outside of a gym right now, so I don't want to yell too loud, but I think this drone might be able to lift my GoPro, and if it does, then maybe I can tape it on there. I can get some sick aerial shots. Look at this drone, it looks so cool for $60. Of course, it's probably not going to be as good as the like thousands of dollars ones, but I'm going to open it now. All right, let's see, what do we got in the box? Okay, we got some silica gel, very nice. It says do not eat. I will test that theory later. Instructions, I don't know how to read. Here we go, the drone. Oh my god, look, it's so light. This is like, it's lighter than my water bottle. I mean, it better be lighter than my water bottle, which makes me think it won't be able to lift my GoPro. But I guess we'll see about that. It has a heavy controller. It's heavier than the drone. Oh, there's the instruction. Okay. Before flying, read instruction. Nice try. They want me to read. And then visit website for instructional videos and FAQs. I feel like this is gonna fail big time, but I will try it. And if it does not work up to my expectations, I can always return it to Walmart, right? Probably. I don't know. They might not accept the return. But okay. I mean, it's just like a drone. Like, it can't be that hard to fly. Like, why would I need to read instructions for a drone? I'm not gonna read some silly instructions. Okay. So I guess I just press the on button here. Okay, lights turn on. That's a good sign. On button on the controller here. And let me put it down so I can see how good it is. Yeah, I have no idea how to work this thing. Oh, maybe it's because the battery doesn't actually work on this, because I'm pressing all the buttons on it like it's just like a video game controller, right? I know how to play. Okay, yeah, I don't think batteries are in this. That's why it's so light. So maybe let me get some batteries going here. Oh my god. So I was just looking at the box for there's a choking hazard, of course. There's always a choking hazard. Small parts. But anyways, it includes the drone, the remote control, USB controller, has replacement propellers, but doesn't even include 4 AA batteries for the remote. Why do they do this? I mean, I get it. It's the cheapest drone you can buy. I guess maybe not the cheapest. You can probably buy a cheaper one on Amazon, but the cheapest one you can buy at Walmart. And okay, here we go. Max range of 250 feet. Oh my god, there goes my instructions. I gotta go get that actually. But max out to 100 feet. My instructions. So yeah, I guess I'll be back after I get batteries, I guess. Sad face. All right, so I have got the batteries for it, and look at this. This is the wind, by the way. This is not me. I'm not pressing any buttons. This is the wind in Texas right now. It is crazy. It is 104 degrees yesterday, like a heat warning, like hotter than Florida. Anyways, I got the batteries. Light works here. Light works here. I've never flown a drone before, so here goes nothing. This is a little bit more challenging. Let's try. So it has wheels, but oh my god, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, let me try this again. Okay, I have like, okay, oh, okay. So this controls the wheels. I don't even know if I need wheels. I would take them off, honestly, but I have no idea what this does. Like, I don't know how to turn it. Okay, I guess that works. That's pretty cool. This thing is so fragile. Like, so very, very fragile. And cheap. Like, I feel like I can make this with like $20 in parts. But anyways, let me try to actually fly this thing. This is not good weather to fly a drone like this. Or a cheap drone. Spin trim. What is spin trim like? Oh my god! This thing is gonna crack. Look at this. It's so flimsy. This right here is so flimsy. Let's see about this. Also pretty flimsy. I don't want to break it, so I'm not gonna like touch it too much. But I'm gonna just try to. Ow! Holy crap! Oh my god! It hit my finger. That kind of hurt, but oh my god! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! Oh my god! I messed this up so badly. It went all the way over there. I'm not even sure if you can see it. But oh my gosh. So I already think I broke the drone because, here, let me, this is the wind by the way. If it's moving right now, it's because of the wind. But anyways, like I turned it on. There's something like rolling on the ground here in Texas. Okay, anyways, let me try this. So I'm pressing the buttons. There's nothing happening. You know, I can turn the wheels. I can actually, yeah, I can turn the wheels. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's definitely turning. I cannot turn the blades anymore. Like, this is the cheapest piece of junk I've ever had. Like, sometimes I feel like it's turning, but it's not actually turning. I gotta return this thing. This is so bad. I mean, yeah, sure, I did fly it, and I didn't read the instructions, but I flew it in like this massive wind gusts that are over here, but, and also I didn't really know what I was doing when I was flying it, but it also kind of hurt my finger. But that was my fault, not this thing's fault. Let me see if I really want to get this to work. Okay, it looks like it's on. The light's flashing. Wait, the wheels don't even move anymore. Oh. Oh my god. I'm pressing every button now. It's given up. Say something. Say something. I'm giving up on you. I don't know if the lights mean anything. 1, 2 are red, 2 are white. But yeah, I gotta return. This thing is, would I recommend this? Probably not. Like, yeah, I could replace the blades, but it'll just happen again, right? Me just being a bad flyer. I mean, yeah, that's my fault. I flew it badly in wind, but it shouldn't, like, it wasn't that high. It was like 10 feet maybe? A little bit, maybe like my height, like 6 feet. 6'20". Yeah, this thing, would I recommend it? No, don't get a $60 drone. Actually, probably don't get a drone if you're like me and break it immediately. Well, sorry, this was so disappointing. Now I'm sad. I guess that's the end of this video. Make sure to, you know, like it, triple click that like button, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll talk to you later. Peace. Sad face. Got it again with another drone video. Oh my god, it's a drone, it's a drone. Okay, I think I got it to work actually. Let me give you a flight demonstration of the perfect drone. It's on my fridge right now. Behind it is the map of Palo Alto. Okay, it spins now, it's spinning. Okay, you might ask how I'm holding the camera. Oh my god, this is, I need to control it somehow. This is not actually how good this drone is, it's how good of me I am at not reading instructions. Because instructions are for wimps. Let's try it. It doesn't feel even. Oh. Ah! That was definitely not my voice. I don't know what that voice was. But it looks like it flies now. I'm not sure what happened before, but I don't want to bring it outside again because it will break. know. It's actually working pretty well, I want to say. Like, I'm having trouble stabilizing it. Or we're not stabilizing it, but like, you know, keeping it stable in the air. In like one height range, I guess. Sorry, my bus is such a mess right now. I just like, I'm about to leave Texas. I have to do laundry in Texas. Well, Texas laundry. It's bigger than other laundry. But I feel like this could work. I want to try the GoPro. I feel like it's trying so hard right now just to lift it up. Oh my god, oh my god, it made a mark in my blinds. They're black now. Jeez. Okay, that's not good. Let me try to do it this way. Like, I feel like, I don't know if I'm just doing something wrong, but it can only fly forward. Oh no, wait, it can turn, it can turn. Oh my god. I'm gonna break this thing. I am going to break this thing, so before I break it, I gotta do what I wanted to do from the beginning and strap my GoPro onto it. It's currently being used to film this video, so I can't film me strapping it on. That sounds weird, but all right, let's strap it on. The jankening has begun. You can't tell it right now, but my GoPro is strapped to my camera. So I'm going to try to fly it. This probably will not work because this GoPro just feels so heavy compared to the height of the drone. So yeah, let's try it. Oh, I have to turn it on. Duh. Forgot to turn it on. All right. All right. We're in. Ow! It doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. I did full blast and it didn't work. I can make a slight adjustment to my GoPro and take off the media mod. Maybe that'll help. I can also take off the wheels. So I'm gonna try media mod and then taking off the wheels, and then hopefully it'll work. Hitting my fingers on the blades of this, what is this called? I don't even know what this is. This helicopter looking thing, and it kind of hurts. Not that much. It doesn't like break the skin, but it's like ow for a second. All right, attempt 2 is ready. I have the wheels. No, I don't have the wheels, but I have the media mod taken off the GoPro. Here it is. There's the little microphone. This is not like, I don't even know how heavy this is, but it's not heavy at all. It's literally just plastic. It's charged $50 for this, by the way. $50 for like a little attachment that you can put in, little microphone, USB-C, and then I guess HDMI something. And it also has a shotgun mic on the back and on the front. $50 for this. It's really light. This probably still won't work. So I'm gonna try it anyways though. I don't know if I want to take off the wheels. Let's try. I keep forgetting to turn on the drone. There we go. It's on. Oh my god. It almost works. Doesn't work. Yeah, it's actually almost working now. It's like barely getting off the ground, but that's about it. It barely gets off the ground. Yeah, I think I would need a more powerful drone, or maybe remove the wheels for this, but I don't think the wheels will do it either. I think the GoPro is just too heavy for this $50, $60 drone. Maybe a $100 drone might work, or maybe like 200 probably definitely would work. But yeah, this thing is so light. I don't even know why it has wheels. Like, what does it need wheels for? What is it gonna try to drive a race car track? But yeah, yeah, I'm done with this. I'm done with this drone. I've tried for at least 30 minutes. And if I take off the wheels, I'm pretty sure it won't work, or I won't be able to return it anyways. But yeah, that's the video for real this time. All right, actually, I lied again, sorry. But I took off the wheels. I mean, the plastic, these are literally foam. There's no way this could matter at all in the lift off of my my airplane, my drone plane. Anyways, you can have a good look at the map. Now we'll try again. Hopefully for the final time. Jeez. Where's, I lost the wheel. Uh-oh, I gotta find that wheel. Oh, everything's a mess. I lost, oh, there it is, okay. Maybe, I'm gonna try it on my couch and, see if I can get it to lift off a little bit better on here maybe. I don't know, I'm just trying things like a scientist does, even though I'm not really a scientist. God damn it, I put my hand on it while it was trying to spin. But yeah, this thing doesn't work, as you can probably tell. It is a nice fan though. Maybe I can use this instead of this fan. This fan is currently exhausting air out of my bus. But yeah, this is that's the end of this video. Sorry, doesn't work, returning it.